Okay, guys. Now let me to explain another type. Oh, I don't have a paper. No, here I have. Guys, let me to explain another type. Which one is this type? The second type. If you see the graph intersect with x-axis at point, x-axis only one point. Okay, intersect with x-axis only at one point when the graph look like that. For example, y-axis and x-axis here. Then let me to take for the graph. For example, if x is here, then the graph gonna be like that. Your parabola gonna be like that. So this one again, y-intercept, which one is y, and it is x1 and x2, because guys, you know that for this type of graph, discriminant gonna be 0. Why gonna be 0? Because we know that if if you have only one solution, which one they are the same thing, so this means discriminant is equal to 0. But the previous one, if the graph intersect, for example, for this type, this means discriminant is greater than 0. Okay, discriminant is greater than 0 because we have two roots, which one they are different with each other. Okay, so but here we have two same roots. That's why we just tell we have only one solution, which one they are the same. So x1 is equal to x2, and that's why discriminant gonna be 0. So guys, what's the formula for this type? Always y gonna be a multiplied by x minus x1 squared. Why squared, guys? Because did you remember this formula? If you have two, if the graph intersects with x at 2 points, then we should write a multiplied by x minus x1 multiplied by x minus x2. Yes, oh, x minus x2. But here, guys, x1 and x2 are the same thing. Yes, if I substitute instead of x2 again x1, or instead of x1 again x2, it's gonna be are the same thing. X minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1 gonna be x minus x1 squared. That's why for this type of question, always use this formula, which one is a multiplied by x a multiplied by x minus x1 squared. Okay, so okay, but let me to give you one example for this type example. If you see on the graph, on the coordinate plane, they just give you this type of function. Let me to take like that. So x is -4 and y is -2 here. Oh, sorry, it's positive side. So +2. Find the graph of this function. Find the graph of sorry, it's a graph. Find the function of graph. Find the function of graph. Function of graph. So how can I find the function of this graph? Guys, again, we have a formula, which one is y is equal to a multiplied by x minus x1 squared. Yes, let me to find what's your y. Y is +2. What's your x? We know that if the graph intersects with y-axis, then at that point x gonna be what? 0. Yes, you know that from previous example. Then what's your root? Which one is x1? It's -4. You have only one root, and that's why it is -4. Then substitute y, which one is 2 is equal to, we need to find a multiplied by 0 minus x1 is what? -4. Minus and -4 gonna be +4 here, squared. Then 2 is equal to a multiplied by 0 plus 4 is what? 4. 4 squared is what? 16. Yes, multiplied by 16. Then a gonna be 2 divided by 16, which one is 1/8. Keep as a fraction, guys. 1/8. So good. Then substitute y is equal to 1/8 multiplied by x minus -4, which one is x, plus 4 squared. But you wanted to write as a standard form, which one is ax squared plus bx plus c. So then we need to expand the bracket, 1/8 multiplied by, so did you remember a plus b squared? The formula of this one, a plus b squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Yes. Then So we should do the same thing here. X squared plus 2 times by 4 is 8x plus 4 squared, which one is 16. Then simplify. 1 over 8 multiplied by this is gonna be 1 over 8 x squared. 1 over 8 multiplied by 8x, we just cancel out 8 with this 8. That's why it's gonna be plus x. And 1 over 8 multiplied by 16 gonna be 16 and 8 again cancel out 2 times. Then plus 2. So your final function gonna be what? Y is equal here. Y is equal 1 over 8x squared plus x plus 2. That's it. You found the function of this graph, which one is 1 over 8x squared plus x plus 2. Okay, so I think it's clear. For any question, ask me. Thank you for watching, guys.